important property of a sector, that is, if you know the value of radius and the value of angle, then you can find anything of the sector we had discussed in last class. How you use area and perimeter to find the radius and angle? In last class I told you that it is a reverse way to use your working formula, and we have attempted some questions of the book, right? Now in today's class we are going to study exercise 10b. The most important is we are going to discuss some complex shape, right? Now the complex means is that it is not that easy at the beginning, but once you pick the flow, then it will be easy. More practice of shaded area and perimeter, and we are going to discuss the questions of major and minor sector. So let's begin. Okay class, so today is lecture number 24. It's week number 6, and in last class we were discussing about the arc length and area of sector. In last class we had discussed one most important thing, that is how we use perimeter to find arc length and angle. Trust me class, this type of questions are very confusing in papers. So we had discussed a question regarding a piece of wire that was bent in a form of sector. That is an example of this question, right? So in last class we had covered question number 3 of exercise 10b, right? In today's class we are going to start from question number 4, right? So that is your question number 4. Let me first enlarge. Now question number 4 has 4 parts, right? Now first read the question. The figure shows a circle with center O and POQ is x degree. The area of the circle is 3850. So the value of area is 3850. And one thing important here, that it is the area of the circle, not the area of the sector, right? That means we need to apply the area of a circle working formula, that is area is equals to pi r square. The value of area is 3850 is equals to pi r square. Now you can find the value of r easily. So it will be 3850 divided by pi is equals to r square. If you divide it, 3850 divided by pi, it's 1225.3 is equals to r square. Now you need to apply root on both sides. So final answer of radius, it's 35 centimeter, right? Now radius is constant for all these, right? And the length of the arc PSQ, this minor arc length, for each of the following values of x. That means angle is known. For part A, the value of x is 36, right? You need to find the area and arc length. So first, area of a sector is angle divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. First we write down the working formula. Now substitute values. The value of x in first part is 36 divided by 360 multiplied by pi, and radius is 35 square, right? So 35 36 times 1, 36 times 10 is 360. So 35 square is 1225 pi divided by 10. So 1225 multiplied by 3.142 divided by 10, it's 384.9. Or you can say that area is 385 centimeter square. For the arc length of first part, so arc length is angle divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, right? Now you need to substitute the values. So the value of x is 36 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So 36 1, 36 10. In the numerator, 35 times 2 is 70 pi divided by 10. So 0 and 0 cancel. So it's basically 7 pi. And 7 pi, it will be equals to 22. Right? So that is the arc length of your first part. So we got area and we got arc length. Right? So second part you need to do at homework. Now part C. Angle is 108 degree. Keep in mind we are looking for the area of minor sector. Right? So 108 is less than 180, so that is the required angle. Now the area. Area is angle divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square, and the value of radius is 35. Right? Now if you simplify it, so 35 square is 1225 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 108 divided by 360. So the answer is 1154.7, and that is the area, so centimeter square. Now if you find out the arc length, so first thing angle, it's 108 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi, radius is 35, right? So 108 divided by 360, 35 times 2 is 70 pi. Now 0 and 0 cancel. You need to simplify the rest. So 108 times 7 times 3.142 divided by 36, it's 65.9. So we can say that arc length is 66 centimeter. Right? So part A and part C done. For the last part B. Angle is 198. Now the angle is greater than 180. It means first you need to find the angle of minor sector. So what you need to do, simply subtract this angle from 360. So it's 162 degree, and that is the angle of minor sector. Once you got the value of angle, you need to apply the working formula. Area is angle divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square, and the value of radius was 35. Now 35 square
that is pi, times 162 and divided by 360. So it's 1732 centimeter square. If we talk about the arc length, so it is angle divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, and the value of r is 35. So it's 162 divided by 360 multiplied by 70 pi. Now you need to calculate it. So 162 times 70 times pi divided by 360. So it's 98.9. So we can say that arc length is 99 centimeter, right? So what is the difference in the last part? The difference is basically the angle. Before the part D, what we did, we just picked the angle and find the values of area and arc length. But in part D, first we need to find the angle of minor sector, right? So you need to focus on the given data, whether the data is right or whether you need to calculate something extra like we did here, right?